Welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I will show you how to manage your privacy settings in the Flickr app, specifically how to control who can see your email. Whether you want to keep it private, share it only with trusted contacts, or allow wider visibility, this guide will help you make the right adjustments quickly and easily. First, open the Flickr app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top of the screen. Then select About from the available options. After that, scroll down until you find the Email section. Now tap on Email and next to Visible. To tap on Current Status, choose your preferred privacy level. You can select Private, Friends and Family, People you follow, any Flickr member, or anyone depending on your preference. Finally, select your choice, and your settings will be updated immediately. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with others. Thanks a lot for watching.